This is what my vanity looks like right now. Yeah, yum. I like genuinely have to sit here for a few seconds and figure out what the hell this video is gonna be, because like I don't know. Like I just know that it's my day off of work because now now I have a job and I don't know what they on, but they schedule me full time. When I asked for 25 to 30 hours, they schedule me literally like 40 hours a week, so I have no time to myself. Like they schedule me all day, like all day, and I'll come home and I'll like sleep. I'll be slumped. So like I need to film today. And that's that. I think this video is just gonna be how to cake your face like a pro. So apparently Tana Mojo and Jake Paul are like a thing or whatever. Not even a thing, they're supposed to be engaged. I don't know how I feel about that. I like them together though. But like I don't know if they're like just doing it for the clout, because they're really problematic people. Like they're both really problematic, to be honest. So like part of me believes it's just for the clout. Watch me be right. Watch they be like, we broke up in like a few months. I decided that I'm gonna use this foundation right here, Lancome, whatever the hell that says. Basically, I'm working because I'm getting a car soon, which means that I have to have money to pay for said car. I don't know. I talk about this in like every video, but like yeah, that's why I got a job. Basically, I'm getting older. I'm almost 18. I'm gonna turn 18 in like a month, and so it's time for me to be a responsible ass bitch. But I'm still like struggling. Like I'm trying to figure out how I'm supposed to freaking maintain a YouTube channel, a job, and then in like a month and a half, here's school. Like escuela is coming up already. Yes. I hate using brushes for foundation, but I'm low-key tired of using a beauty blender. Like I need to switch things up, so I'm trying to switch things up. Do you guys like my Joker thing? I love it. It's so cute. I also have this bracelet. They're both my grandma's. My grandma was a bad bitch, low-key. She's still sending bad bitch vibes up from heaven. Now I'm gonna use the Too Faced Born This Way concealer. This is the only one I use nowadays. I've been on Twitter too much. Like I'll deadass delete social media forever because like it just becomes too much. The only thing I won't delete is YouTube because I'm obsessed with YouTube. But like I'm so serious. Like I will delete Snapchat, Instagram, Twitter, all of that for weeks on end, and I do not give a single fuck. Like I don't care. I don't. And people be like, you suck at replying, and I'm like, and what about it, sis? Like I don't cater to these bitches. I cater to me and myself and I. And if I don't want to have a social media platform where people from all around the world can reach me, because sometimes I just don't want it. Like it's just too much. And yes, my beauty blender is dry, and what about it? Yesterday I just got finished with training. Like you have to train for 3 days and then you're considered like an official whatever you are. I'm a hostess at this restaurant. Yesterday was my first day being not trained. Like it was my first like official day, and they had me work as a hostess by myself for like an hour and a half, and then I got in trouble because their clocks are 5 minutes early, so it's at 9 o'clock, which is the time the restaurant closes. And when it's 9 o'clock, you're immediately supposed to like go do what you gotta do, like to the restaurant, like freaking start cleaning stuff up. I went to this thing that we call the Maya Hut, and I was trying to clean up the high chairs, and the clock that I checked said 9 o'clock, so that means we're closing, we're not seating any more people. Next thing you know, I'm all up in the Maya Hut, like cleaning these fucking high chairs, and my boss or whatever is like, where's my tour guide? Which is me, that's my part right there. I'm the tour guide. And I was like, in the Maya Hut though, and he was like, but there's people that need to be seated. And I was like, cause it's 9 o'clock. So I'm like, okay, I'll be right out. And I go out there and he'd already seated the people, and I was like, my ass is about to get in trouble. So he was like, yeah, you need to make sure you close. We're like closed before you go and clean stuff up in the Maya Hut. And I was like, I didn't argue because I'm not trying to get fired or whatever. But I was like, dude, the clock, it's not my fault that the clocks out there are wrong. Like I knew they were wrong because another one of my coworkers told me. He didn't even tell me they were wrong. Baby, one of my coworkers told me that they were wrong. So I knew they were wrong, but I forgot. But when I checked the time, it said 9 o'clock. So I was like, okay, time to close this bit. And really, it was 8:55. Now I'm just gonna bake with my Too Faced powder. I'm not gonna like go in depth with all this. Okay, so I just got finished bronzing with this NYX bronzer that I can't put down. We're gonna use this today because I haven't used it in a while. Hi there. And let's like mix them all. Yep. Oh, that's actually really pretty. I like that. I just need a job for summer to keep me busy and stuff, and to make this bread, because I'm trying to save so that I won't have to work as much. Like if I just work a lot right now for like the next month or two and save like majority of that money, then I can find a job at a place that I actually want to work, like Ulta or Sephora or something. That I really want to work there, but I am still really young. I'm still young, so I can't work there until I'm 18. But girl, it's like June. No, it's July 3rd. What dimension am I in? It's July 3rd. And my birthday is on the 2nd of August. So it's like, baby, we're almost there. We're not there yet, but we're almost there. More blush. More blush. No, actually, mixing them all together is a fat yes for me. It's a yes for me. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but basically there's this show on like HBO. It's called Euphoria or Euphoria, something like that, and it has Zendaya in it, and I guess she's supposed to be a drug addict, and they freaking are so dumb. They're so dumb because there's supposed to be this girl who writes fan fiction online about Larry, and if you don't know what Larry is, girl, bye. I'm just kidding, but they literally really used Harry Styles' name and Louis Tomlinson's name. Dominic, shut up! Every video I do, you're in the background screaming. You literally used their real names, and I'm like, that's not okay. Because if you know what Larry is, you know it's a little... Anyways. Oh, hello. Hi. How are you? Dude, contouring the nose for me is just such a, like, whatever thing that I don't even do it half the time. And when I do it, I don't even film it. I just want it to look like I have a nose bridge, so... Anyway, I'm gonna take a sponge from Morphe. Clean up the jawline. Oh my gosh, wait. Let me like curve it so I don't look like a whole man. It's so like therapeutic for me. Makeup is therapy. My face is gonna be disproportioned because I can't get it to be even. So I just went ahead and filled in my eyebrows a little bit. I literally just do it with brown eyeshadow because the only other thing I have to fill in my eyebrows with is Anastasia, and that shit is like really much a lot of the time. I'm gonna like wipe this off, you feel? You dig? And I don't do this often because of the fact that it leaves a white cast sometimes, but like it does clean up the contour quite nicely. So it's just like, I don't know. This is supposed to smell like coconut. I'm gonna use some Fix Buzz. Alright, let's just work on the eyes now. I'm tired of this stuff. The eyes are gonna be so easy. It's gonna be such a cute, but like really doable look for summer, like I promise. First things first, I'm gonna take some of this NYX Jumbo Eye Crayon Pencil. I'm literally just gonna rub some on my finger because this like just drags the eyelid. And I find that to not be a pleasant feeling. And then I'm gonna just tap it. I'm also gonna just set that with any white eyeshadow just so that it's set. Because I really don't. These like crayon things are like unpredictable. And your freaking eyelid doesn't need to be stark white, bro. It doesn't need to be Flashback Mary looking ass. It needs to just be like a whiter tint, okay? Okay, now the real tutorial is going to start. I'm gonna go in with this yellow, the only yellow shade in the James palette, called B, I believe. And I'm just gonna pack that and blend it on my entire eyelid. Boom! Tutorial over. See just how the yellow is just so much more opaque? If I were to have not used that white base, this hoe would barely be showing up. And like, that's just not the business. This brush is a Morphe M514, if any of you are wondering. Baby boy, stay on my mind. I don't know why that song's in my head. I'm kind of missing the Sister Squad. It's kind of sad that James was canceled and then all his friends just dropped him like that instead of supporting him. Not supporting him, but instead of like trying to hear him out, I guess. I mean, to be honest, the whole world didn't even hear him out until he made like a freaking hour-long video. But it's just like, I don't know. I feel like some people are still pissed off at James or don't believe him. I don't really know how I feel. I never really liked James in the first place. I just didn't care for him at all. I never cared for him. I still don't really care for him. But I really did like the Sister Squad. I don't care for Emma Chamberlain either, but like I did really like the Sister Squad for some reason. I also really never got the chance to do a Pride makeup look, and I feel so sad about that. I really wanted to do something colorful, and I practiced the look that I was gonna do twice so that it would come out really nice when I actually filmed it. And then it turns out I never got the chance to film it before June ended. I'm so sad. Like I might still do it and just be like, colorful rainbow look, haha. but I don't know. The thing is, I'm super Christian. I'm like very, very, very Christian. Hella Christian. Like hella Christian. But that doesn't mean that I can't support my pride people, even though I'm not in that community. And even though my religion is against that community, doesn't mean I am. I don't even really think my religion is against that community. It's just certain people that don't. I don't even know how to explain it. God put in the Bible, man shall not lay with man or whatever. But he also put that you can't judge unless you're perfect. So it's just like all these people that aren't perfect, because the only perfect one is Jesus, and they're judging people for loving who they love. It's not adding up. It doesn't add up. So yeah, that's just my opinion on things. Hi, this is what we look like so far, just yellow. Actually, I think I'm gonna go in with a little bit of the orange as well. It's still gonna be like yellow, but I just want this so I can put on the outer V because I look a little like flat right now. I'm trying to create some dimension. So I'm just gonna put this on the outer corner and kind of like halfway blend it through, but I'm not gonna put too much so that it just looks like it's like a darker yellow almost. Okay, now I'm gonna do some lashes. You know what? I keep on telling people that I want a boyfriend just because like when the conversation comes up, I'll just be like, I really want a boyfriend. Like I just do. Like I just always say that I want a boyfriend, but now that I think about it, I don't know if I do want a boyfriend. Like I don't, because it's so much work. A relationship isn't all about like, oh, let's go on this date, let's love each other, let's cuddle. It's not always like that. Sometimes it's like, we're gonna text, we're gonna break up, we're gonna fight, we're gonna freaking argue. Am I ready for that? I don't know. False alarm, ladies, I put it on the wrong eye. Ew. I literally can't see right now. Oh my gosh, what the hell? For some reason, this lash is like beautiful and this one is like, is this even like the same eyelash right now? I'm literally using a bullet lipstick right now. When do I ever do this? I never do this. I'm wearing the NYX lip liner in the shade Nude Truffle, and this is a Milani lipstick in the shade 69 Matte Beauty. This is actually really pretty though. I should use this more. Shoot! Not my palette. Oh, hi. Anyways, guys, this is basically the finished look. I don't even know what this video was. It wasn't really a tutorial because I don't know how to explain myself. I just keep talking. Like, I can't stop talking. I can't stop talking, baby. I can't stop. Do you see that? That's embarrassing. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you all when I see you. Love you guys. Peace.